Yes, Y-E-S! Almost there! Ha! Oliver, breakfast is ready. 1 more minute.
Oliver has been playing for a very long time.
Where is Oliver? His toast is cold.
Let's see what's keeping him.
Oliver, breakfast is getting cold.
Just 5 more minutes, Dad. Almost. So close to the next level. Play with me. Huh. Oliver, will you play ball with me? Not now, Lily. I'm busy. Sighs. Okay. Maybe later.
My eyes feel a bit tired. He has been playing all day.
I can eat and play at the same time.
Oliver, let's talk after dinner, okay?
Okay, Dad. Just... 1 more level. I'm so tired today.
Oliver's homework has been waiting for a whole week.
Ha! Oh! Oliver, come and ride bikes with us. Maybe next time. I'm playing my game. I didn't really want to say no. I look, really tired.
For the first time in days, Oliver's hands were empty.
Games are fun, but balance is important too.
I didn't know I was playing so much.
I have an idea. Let's try this. 1 hour of game time a day.
Okay, I can try that. Sorry, Lily. Can we play ball now? Yes! 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 Let's go outside! Catch it, Lily! Good throw!
It's so good to see them playing together.
1 hour of game time, just like we said. This is fun when I'm not rushing.
Okay, time's up. That's fair. How about a family game night instead?
to be the blue piece. Yes! 6! I'm winning! This story is exciting, too. I feel great this morning.
Warm toast today, Oliver.
Yum, thanks, Mom. Warm toast. Yes, let's go ride bikes together. Yeah, let's go. This is so much fun. Yeah, it is.
Nice move. You're getting really good at this.
I love our evenings together.
Games are fun, but this is even better.
Good night, everyone.
I love you.
And so, Oliver learned that games are fun, but family, friends, and balance make life even better.